how to make and create a Twitter header on Canva PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Twitter header professional on canva.com, easy and fast. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com, click and log into your account. Now click on create a design and search for Twitter. Go down and click on Twitter header. It will take you directly to this page. Now choose a template. You have many templates. For example, I'm gonna choose, let's say, this one, and as you can see it looks so professional. You can edit the text and all those stuff. As you can see, it's so easy to edit and looks so professional. After you finish, click share and download. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe.